But the problem is, these wires work as an antenna in your house, and what it's doing actually is working as a magnet for radio frequencies. So these radio frequencies interference are also circulating in the wires. And that is called dirty electricity. If you can take an AM radio and take the antenna and go close to your outlet, you can hear the interference. Or you can use a professional meter and connect it to the outlet, and you can hear. Actually, if you go to our table tomorrow with our table outside, you will see that we have 1,500 millivolts in the power line. If you put the filter, it will reduce to 20. This is the first filter that we built with the SPIRO material inside. In the past, we used another filter, very good in the market. There is a very good filters in the market. But the problem is that some of these filters are also, of course, generating electromagnetic fields. And the people that are so sensitive, they can't handle it. So you need to hide it from them. They need to be at least 20 feet away. In some cases, in some homes, it's impossible. So what we did in the past was we take our cards, the filter for the cell phones, and we place it with tape. And they can't handle it. After we get some funds, we develop this. And now we are collaborating with our friends in Europe to build an European version. Because we have the patent, and if you have any technology, we can offer you our help, we can offer you our technology, our filters, we can build in your technology with the filter from built in. And to avoid the emission is going to be polluted. So we place it in the office, it will reduce always the exposure. But also it's something incredible that happened. When we place the disc in the space, we are not blocking. Put this in context. We are not blocking the radiation. But still, all the electrical appliances and electronic devices are in a space clean of quantum noise. So because it's clean, all the functionality is better and optimized. So the devices use less energy to function. And what this translates to what? Reduce amount of bubbles around the things. And this is one of our measurements in this project. You can see the orange is the amount of volts per meter electrical field in these locations, the maximum and the average from the whole location. And after we place the disc, you have a reduction super significant because all the devices works with less energy. So it's an